Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If x approach to a, so I will put a goal here and here and here. So this one minus this one, you got about 0. A minus A, you got about 0. So we can use about L hospital. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one, we just do first derivative of f of s and g of s. This one, first derivative of s, we have number 1. First derivative of 8, we have 0 because this is about the constant. And now we need to simplify. And now we just put icon here and here, and we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.